Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you friends how to restore delete file. Friends, you want to restore delete file on your phone. So how to restore delete file today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video friends. Friends, first of all guys, on your google file friends, you have this google file you are using, and friends I will delete this photo. Example guys, I will delete these 4 photos, delete, and friends 2 video I will delete here. This video friends I will delete. And how to restore delete file? Friends, come back. Friends, you can see left side the 3 lines, click here, trash option, click here. As you can see recently friends I delete 4 photo and 2 video. Friends, you want to restore video, select video friends. If you click this delete, so friends this permanently will delete. So I don't click on delete friends, click on restore 2 files. Friends, this video will restore, and friends again you can use these videos. Friends, you can see the video will restore. Same setting up with photos friends, select photo guys, which photo guys you want to restore friends. If you click on permanently friends, you can see delete 4 files permanently. This will permanently and cannot be undone. If you click on restore friends, you can see this photo will restore on our device friends. Again friends, we can use these photos. So like that friends, we can restore delete file. And friends, if you delete from here friends, your trust size friends, if you delete friends permanently friends, now guys you cannot restore delete file on your oppo phone device guys. And friends, on your phone photos, click here, and friends click on album, and friends you can see you recently delete. So friends, click here, which photo friends you have deleted recently friends, select photo. Friends, this photo friends you can see restore and delete, click on restore, and friends you can restore this video or friends photos. Friends, this photo will restore on your device. So like that friends, you can restore your delete photos and video on your oppo phone device. So I hope friends you understood how to restore delete file on oppo phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video friends. Now friends, to even doubts, okay, you can ask me in comment section friends, I will check, I will help you. Bye bye guys.